Hey guys, welcome back to Lumens Armory. Today I'm going to be checking out the EZshoot 1800 lumens rifle laser light combo. Alright, so the flashlight's going to come shipped in this black box from EZshoot. Here we have the EZshoot laser light combo for Picatinny rail and M-Lok rail user's manual. So here's everything inside the box, which we'll go over. Here are all the specifications, 1800 lumens, the product overview. It does have magnetic charging, and of course we can have our installation for the M-Lok rail. And here's the installation instructions for the Picatinny rail. Here's the operation. We do have a laser and a light, and then also how to adjust and all your warnings, notices. All right, so here is the charging cable. Here's the magnetic charger. Do have different types of wrenches here. Looks like we have our M-Lok hardware. And then the tactical flashlight here. Alright guys, let's take a closer look at the EZshoot flashlight here. So up on the top you're going to feel these little ridges. The screw holes at the top are going to be for the M-Lok installation. So if you want to do this for an M-Lok, you can do that. So that's why they're so long. And you have the M-Lok mount here. And if you wanted to do that, you would have to remove the Picatinny rail adapter here. So currently it's fitted with the Picatinny rail. That's usually how I like to do it. I do have a lot of M-Lok rails as well. So here is the laser indicator. So it's a green laser, nice and bright. And then the flashlight on the right side, also very bright. I can feel the heat on my hand. All right, so normally you would double tap to try to activate the strobe mode, but on this one, you're going to hold it for 2 seconds. You can see the strobe. And then just on and off. And you can have both the light and the laser activated. It's right here. The camera's picking it up. And here's the front. Don't worry, I'm not going to blind you. And here's the rear for the charging cable. So you can mount this on the top or on the side. For this one, I'm going to demonstrate mounting it on the side. But overall, quality feels really nice, feels solid. All right, so here's the charging demonstration. So it's USB and then magnetic charger. So you can see that the red light turned on. So it's off right now. Just showing you that it's charging. And once it's fully charged, it's going to turn green. All right, and your windage and elevation adjustments for the laser beam are going to be here where it says up, down, and then on the side, left, right. So you can use one of the provided tools. Like that they give you a lot of the different tools to use. So you can insert that there. Just like so, and move it to the side. And then right in here, same thing. You're not going to hear any audible clicks. You're just going to feel it. Obviously, you want to laser bore sight it just to make sure that it's in line with your target. Alright guys, here I'm going to demonstrate installing this on a Picatinny rail. So you want to go ahead and use one of the provided tools to loosen up the screws just enough so that you can get it over to the rail. So go ahead and find a good spot where you want it. Alright, just like that. And then go ahead and retighten. All right, and I got that nice and snug. Just checking here. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so you have no wiggle, no play. This isn't going to go flying off when you go shooting at the range. So here is what it looks like right on the side. I can use the laser with my thumb, or I can come under with my index finger, turn that on.
You're a lot more consistent.
Alright guys, so that was the EZshoot 1800 lumens rifle laser light combo. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.